make money just by watching this tutorial. Yes, you heard that right, because in today's video, we will be teaching you how to earn money online just by watching videos. All you need to do is just watch this specific video and take note of all the important details, and after that, go into your computer or use your cell phone and do the steps that I provided right here. This tutorial is not that hard to understand, but if you do not listen to everything that I will say, well, this will be hard for you. I know you're excited, so what are we waiting for? Let's roll the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mug Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. According to this website, the way you guys are going to get paid, it's going to be through PayPal. Just like it says here, PayPal payments are sent to the PayPal email address you've set underneath your account. Once you've added your PayPal email address to your account, then you can start earning rewards, which you can later redeem for PayPal cash. Then you can start earning commissions that look just like this. However, you must have a PayPal account before you can begin. So go to paypal.com, then come over here and click on sign up, which will take you to this page. All you require now is a personal account. So go ahead and click on personal before moving on to the next step. This will take you to this page. Now all you need is a small bit of information to get started with this. Only a first and last name are required, okay? As well as an email address and a password, and then you will be on your way. If your PayPal account is set to come right over to this website right here, they're going to pay you for watching videos and shows right here online. Now, I will be giving you the names of these websites throughout the rest of this video, so stay with me here, okay? Because this is really going to get good. Okay, so I'm over on this website right now, and now there's several things that we can do. We can do different offers, we can do surveys, but what we want to do is watch videos. So just make sure to click on the videos button right here, and this is going to allow us to choose the types of videos and TV shows that we want to watch by going through the different topics right here. So I can click on the little button right here, over here or the little left arrow, and choose the type of topic that I like. But before we continue the tutorial, I just have a quick interruption for you guys. I just want to ask where my viewers are from, because I know that those money-making online websites are sometimes not available in your country. And that is why I want to make a video that is specifically available in your country. So tell me in the comments down below where you guys are from. Now let's go back. So maybe I like watching viral videos. Maybe I want to watch 2 gaming videos, or adventure and lifestyle videos, or maybe like movie buzz or tech talks. I can see there's a lot of different topics here and different things that I would want to watch myself and get paid for doing. So that is pretty cool. When you've decided on a topic, simply select it and click the button. So let's assume I'd like to view some viral videos for some reason, okay? I always watch all of my videos, so I'll just click that right here, and a little pop-up will pop up verifying that this is what I want to do. Every minute and every time I watch videos, they will pay me a particular amount of points, so go ahead and press that green button over here. After you do that, it's going to open up a new window, and then there's gonna be something like, you're gonna see an advertisement. Start to play on the video. Now what these advertisements are all about, this is how the websites make their money. And what they're doing is, they're sharing some of that advertising ad revenue with you. So that's how you guys are going to get your rewards that you can later redeem for PayPal money. It's really a cool deal, so check this out. I could just sit back and watch this viral video and do whatever I want. I could have the computer playing in the background, and I could be in the living room, in my car, outside on the patio, whatever. I can just kick up my feet doing whatever. I want to stay at home playing video games and earn money while doing it. And it's pretty cool. It's not really a genius idea, and not to see the points that you guys have earned while you're watching the videos down here. You're gonna find a little button that says reports. So go ahead and click on that, and it's going to tell you how many points you have earned while you're watching the videos. Every time you earn points from this little window right here, that's going to be added to your account back over here, and then you can take those points every time it does any time that you want. So let's say I want to watch videos on food. Let's go ahead and click on the food button. Right there, you're going to click on the green button and confirm that it'll open up into a new tab, and the video will automatically start to play. It's that simple, guys. You're gonna see a little bit of an advertisement at the beginning, but then after that, the food show starts so you can learn cooking. It is possible to learn how to manufacture things. When you've earned enough money in your account to pay out, now is the time. Here's what you're gonna do. Go to the top left of the page and click on Redeem. This link will take you to this page. It's right here, and there's a large PayPal button. Now you don't have to use PayPal. Let's say you want to convert your points to an Amazon gift card. Well then, because maybe you want to go onto Amazon and order something and have it sent to your house, you can't do that. Or maybe even Walmart or Best Buy, or maybe at some point in some credits to your Xbox account and buy some games. You can't do all of that with this website. So for this video, what we're gonna do here is go over to the PayPal portion of it. So I'm gonna click right here on PayPal, and that's going to take me right over here. And that is really cool. About this website, they have a feature called Auto Redeem, and so this means you can make money, you can have the points converted into PayPal cash, and have it sent to your account automatically without even doing anything. You can set that by clicking on the Auto Redeem button right here. So depending on how many points that you accumulate, let's just say if you receive 500 points for watching videos, well, they're going to automatically send you $5 directly to your account. Or let's just say whatever your account reaches. Maybe it reaches 2,500 points, and they're gonna send you $25 PayPal cash directly to your account. That is exactly how I've earned my rewards right here. See, all of these rewards on my account, they have been processed and have been sent to me automatically. I really did not do anything, and I love that feature with this website. Now, another website where you can get paid for watching videos is this one right over here. So watch entertaining videos and earn easy points. You can earn points for each video, and then you watch your video inventory, and it refreshes every day. So start earning now. Alright, it sounds really cool, and they work with some pretty big companies. We have here Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Hoarder, and The Wall Street Journal. Now the way it works is you guys watch videos, and then you earn points, and then you choose your rewards. It's really straightforward, and you can earn 100 points just for signing up, which is kind of cool. So come up here, and what you're gonna do is click on Join, or you can also click on Get Started. That's gonna bring you over to this page right here, and you guys can simply and quickly sign up with a Facebook account, or just enter in your email, first name, last name, and password. You guys will be on your way, and then after that, you guys get access to the dashboard that's inside of your account. The very first thing you're gonna want to do is come over here and click on Watch Videos. Just like the other website, you guys can choose out of a number of different categories and topics for any kind of video that you want. So if you want to watch buzz videos about music or movies, you can watch tech videos, comedy videos, and viral videos. I think I'm gonna watch viral videos again. Let's go ahead and check that out, and then a little pop-up will come up here on the screen, which looks just like the other website. And it's because it's from the same company, and this is really great. So you can have multiple videos playing in the background. You guys could earn more points from multiple websites. More cash for you, more paper money. That's what it's all about. Alright, so this is playing right here. We've got now because of some dog. You going on it is our point is at the door there. I don't know what's happening here. Alright, pretty cool, and it's a pretty big Donovan's Golden Retriever. I don't even know if that's even a goal, the results like one, but I'm not a dog expert like that. But it looks really cool, so it's the same thing. Just like the other website, what you guys are gonna do is scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and then right here where it says rewards, click on that, and then work says points, and that's what you're gonna see. The points start to accumulate, and then what you're gonna do after you're done watching these funny videos, you go ahead and close out the window, and then you will see up here on the top right, you will see your points start to add up here. And when you have enough points, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna come over here and click on Reward Store right over here. On the left side of this menu, once you get over to the reward store, there's gonna be some popular rewards. But then, there's also going to be a button to show all the rewards now. Now to get to the PayPal money, what you guys are gonna do is click on all reports, and that will display everything free. To be wanting to convert our points to PayPal cash, and that's going to be the top one right here called PayPal. So go ahead and click on that, and that will bring you right over here. Now there's two PayPal payment options. So there's one right here for $20, and you're gonna need about 12,000 points for that. And then a second one over here for $50, and you're gonna need about 30,000 points. So just keep an eye on your account when your points start to accumulate, and then once they get up to that certain number, whatever that may be, then come over here, click on the reward store and cash it out. Alright, so the two websites that you guys are gonna want to go to if you want to get paid for watching videos, the first one's going to be Earnably.com. This is already on Earnably.com. Great website, very well designed, very user friendly, so go over there and check it out to sign up and get registered right away. The other website is going to be Irazoo. So Irazoo.com looks just like this to you guys. So make sure you're at the right place, and all you have to do is click on Get Started. You guys will be on your way to start earning some money watching videos. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have any questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!